Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you how I make Nigerian meat pies. So if you want to see how I make mine, please keep watching. So here are some of the ingredients I'll be using. As we go, I'm gonna show you the rest of the ingredients I'll be using. So we're gonna mix our dried ingredients first, and then we're gonna add in our wet ingredients. So after mixing the flour and the butter, I'm gonna be using whole milk. You can use liquid milk, but I chose to use powdered milk. And I'm gonna be adding the milk into the flour, as you will see later. So after mixing up everything, I'm gonna cover the dough and set it on one spot in my kitchen because down here is cold. I don't need to put it back in the fridge. I'm just gonna set it aside and let the dough rest a bit. So while the dough is resting, I'm gonna be prepping for the filling, and I'm gonna be dicing up some carrots with my Gomia dicer. This product right here has made dicing carrots so easy for me in my kitchen. So for the filling, I just added a little oil. You could use any oil of your choice. And I'm gonna be adding some onions. Let it fry for a minute before adding up my ground beef. I'm gonna fry this for 2 to 3 minutes, just until it turns brown. And I'm gonna add some mixed spice, a little paprika pepper, so gonna add some thyme, no cube, and a little salt, and I'll let that cook for like a minute before adding a little water. So after adding some water, I let that boil for 2 minutes, and I'm gonna be adding in some flour. I do not want to overcook the potatoes and the carrot because I'm still gonna transfer it into the oven. So if you noticed, I added the flour in bits because I don't want to add too much. And as you see, I do not have any water left in the filling. It's moist, it's not watery, it's just okay. And this is what you want. And now I'm just gonna grease my pan and get ready to start filling up the pastry. So this is the pastry dough, and I'm gonna cut through it, and if you do, this is what it should look like. So I'm gonna cut them into little bits before I start working on them. So just before working on my pastry, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. I want the pies to cook slowly. You could choose to go higher. So you want to sprinkle a little flour, pick out a section of the pastry and roll it to your desired thickness. And I'm gonna be using the cover of one of my pot in my kitchen to cut it out and take out the excess pastry. So now you want to add a spoonful to 2 tablespoons of filling into the pastry, and I'm gonna be using only the egg whites in the pastry to get a good hold when I close it. So with an eating fork, you want to press onto the pastry to get a good hold so the meat pie doesn't get open when baking. So you have to repeat the same process on the pastry and filling, but if you have any left, you could store it in your freezer. So with an eating fork, I'm gonna create holes in the pies to let out steam when baking. So this is only egg yolk. I'm gonna be using my pastry brush to rub on the surface of the pies just to give it that golden look when it comes out. So this is how the meat pie turned out. Isn't it pretty? Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave your comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.